knew dropping coins could build writing muscles? This fun little piggy bank game is secretly a workout for your child's fingers and focus. This focused activity is perfect for developing your child's pincer grasp and hand-eye coordination, skills needed for writing, sipping, and tool use. Grab some coins or buttons and a jar or box with a slot. Ask your child to pick up a coin using only their thumb and index finger. Then align it carefully and drop it into the slot. Start with larger coins and wide slots. You can hold the container steady if needed. Ready for more? Try smaller coins or shaped slots like squares and triangles. You can even make it a game. See how many they can drop in 30 seconds. For children sensitive to textures or sound, use felt tokens and soft containers to keep things quiet and comfortable. This activity also builds focus and coordination between both hands, making it a great pre-writing warm-up. Small coins, big skills. Each drop is helping your child build strong, precise, and confident hands.